Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey, girl, hey, how y'all doing today? Y'all, we got a haul, y'all. We got a haul. And not only do we have a haul, we got a try-on haul. And if you want to see what your girl's trying on and what she hauled, I'm going to need for you just to keep on watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life.
All right, y'all. Me and you, we are so excited because your girl is hauling and trying on some Lipbar. But before I go any further, I'm so excited to say that your girl is now affiliate with the Lipbar. Y'all, I'm super excited about this because this is a brand, if you've been watching this channel, you already know I purchased other things from the Lipbar, and I love the Lipbar, and I love what the company stands for. So I'm just excited about that. But I had to let you guys know in advance that your girl is an affiliate now. She moving on up. Yeah. But y'all, let's get into this. I've already done this phase and I've used the products, and now we're going to talk about them, okay? So the first thing, in case you don't know, you can purchase Lipbar products on Lipbar's website, or you can purchase them at Target. And they do have some items that are like exclusively to Target. And so when I was at Target, your girl went ahead and picked up, let me show you what it looks like, an eyeshadow palette. And this is the packaging, y'all. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna use the packaging so I can tell you the name of it. The name of this particular eyeshadow palette is called Brown Bombshell. First of all, y'all know I'm a packaging girl. Look at this. Look at this packaging, y'all. And when you open her up, this is what she looks like. And then wait, y'all. She got a mirror. And she has a little section right here where it gives you an eyeshadow applicator. So for those of us who might be running late sometimes and you have to put your makeup on the go, I think this is super duper dope for that, because you actually have, there's your eyeshadow, and then you have the mirror on the other side. So I like that. But let's get into these shadows, y'all. So you get 4 shadows in the little quad. And I'm going to start it off how I put them on my eye. So the first shade that I put on my eye is called, let me look on the back, Brown Sugar. Make sure it's the right one. Yeah. And I'm going to swatch it for you. And I used that shade in this video as an all over the lid shade. But this will be a really great highlighter for your brow bone. So that's that shade. Now the next shade is called Toast. Well, let me do it in the order that I put it on my eye so y'all can see. So the next shade that I actually used, and I used this shade in my outer V, is called Cinnamon, which is this dark shade. Because y'all know your girl got to have a dark outer V. And y'all, these eyeshadows are very pigmented. And look, let me make sure. Hold on. It's super soft. And this is a nice matte color. Y'all see that? Gorgeous. And you've seen in the video how it built up. I had to go into what's called Spice. Ooh, child. Spice is like a, look at that. Look, y'all. But it has like a, it has a little shimmer in it. It's a matte as well. It feels like a matte. And y'all, when I tell you these are super soft and they feel super good. And this is a gorgeous color. This is one of those colors, you guys know I'm all about the one and done. And this whole palette is geared towards an everyday palette. And of course, you guys know it's vegan and all that kind of stuff, because all of their products are vegan. But this is more geared to your everyday look. And definitely, y'all see, I definitely got it everyday. And to me, it's enough color that you can see it, but yet it's still soft enough to where it is very everyday, workable, go to work, go to church type color. And then the last color that I used like in the inner portion of my eye is called Toast. And y'all, now this is the shimmer, because you got the 3 mattes and the 3 shimmers. It's super soft, and you guys saw I didn't get any fallout. And look at that color. Now I feel like this color right here is, you see that it's enough boldness to it, like the color's bold enough to it, but yet it's still soft, if that makes sense. Do y'all see that? It's like it gives you just a pop of right there in the inner tear ducts without being too much, not over dramatic. Now I feel like now it is geared towards every day, but if you wanted to do like a cut crease, I feel like this would be a great color to use to do a cut crease and make it a more dramatic eye look. So you can take it to nighttime if you wanted, but I really see where they were going when they say daytime. I really could see the everyday wear. Yes. So y'all, this is the eye look for the shadows. And I like it. What you think? Let me know if you guys like that. Let me know if you agree with me in the comment section that it's like really everyday friendly. All right, now the next thing I decided to go in with and what I purchased, I'm trying to wipe, and y'all look, it's picked. Y'all see that? It's got some staying power. Okay, the next thing I picked up is an eyeliner from them, and y'all, the names are so cute. This is the eyeliner, and the name of this particular color is Straight Outta Patience, honey. And this is what she looks like. And when I tell y'all, creamy, oh my God, and black. Look at that. Do you see that? Because I'm black, y'all. Because I'm black, y'all. Because I'm blackity black. Okay, I gotta stop singing that song. But yeah, this right here, it has aloe vera in it, jojoba oils in it. It's waterproof, smudge proof. It is really gorgeous. And y'all, as you can see, I just went in and I put that in my waterline just to give this look some pop. And I feel like this is so black that it really gave the look some pop without aging me. Because sometimes, you know, when you're older, your girl about to be 50 years old. So, you know, sometimes when you put too much black down in the lower waterline, it tends to age your look, you know. But this, like that, oh honey, that gave it a pop. And then I did pull it up some. Yeah. Oh, and I didn't tell you guys, it was at TJMaxx for $10, $10.99, and the liner is $10. Now, the next thing I picked up, y'all, is foundation. I'm just saying, look at my skin. I picked this foundation up. And I picked up well, first of all, the name of the foundation is Skin Serum Foundation. It has hyaluronic acid in it, iris moss extract, y'all. Do you see the glow? Do you see the healthiness of it all? And let me show you something else that's really cute. The shade that I picked up is 502, like in the time. And this is what she looks like. So you can actually see the foundation right here. And this little button at the bottom, it has the shade on it, but you push that up. And then, y'all, you know I love packaging. And then right here, it has the Lipbar initials on that. Y'all see that? And then she comes with her own brush. Now, I went in and I put it on. I put the powder on, put the product on, of course, with the way it's with the applicator, right? But y'all know I love my Tarte brush. So I always use, no matter what foundation I use, I always use my Tarte brush, so you'll see me going in with that brush. But you can definitely use this brush to apply it, because I actually used it. It just take a little longer. But guys, at first I thought, oh, I don't know if this is the correct shade. But the one thing I did like about when I got ready to purchase it, you get to see women that look like you. So when you go in looking for your shade match, because you know a lot of us are not, you know, going in and you know, we're not able to sample things like we used to. So you kind of rely on what the websites offer you. So the website does offer you the ability to go in and look at someone that may be your skin tone or close to your skin tones that would help you pick out your shade. But y'all, this foundation got your girl looking silky smooth. So I do like this foundation, I really do. I want y'all to see up close. Super pretty. All right, now that was the foundation. On the foundation, how much was the foundation? I think the foundation is $25. I'm gonna put it up here, give you the correct number, correct price. Now the next thing I went into was this palette, y'all. This palette is Justine Skye. It's a collaboration she did with the Sky Bar. First of all, do we see packaging? All this beautiful purple. And let me open it up. All right, y'all, look at those colors. Do they look so pretty? Aren't those gorgeous? Like super pretty. So what I decided to do with this was I wanted to go in and use it like a highlighter and a blush. And if you guys want to see me use this, because it's an eye and cheek palette, and I was like, okay, I already used the other eyeshadow palette, so how am I going to utilize this? So I said, it says cheek, so we're going to use it on the cheek. So I decided to use it as the highlighter. And I went in with the, what was the color? This color is called Juju, which is this one right here. And y'all, they feel super, super duper soft, right? So soft. So I went in with Juju. Let me see if I could just put it right here on the hand. Oh man, y'all see that? Juju is gorgeous. And then they have another color in here called Bear With Me. So I really use Juju as the highlighter. And then I decided, okay, let me go in with Bear With Me, which is this other shade right here. And I'm gonna swatch it. And it's giving me more of a copper color. So I was like, okay, that's gonna add a little bit more color to the situation. So let me show y'all. Look at that. Oh, wait. Y'all see that? Do y'all see? What? Beautiful. Oh, y'all, I cannot wait to use this as an eyeshadow palette. As an eyeshadow palette, if you want this palette, it gives you that more dramatic look. So that's what I cannot wait to use it for. Now, the other colors in here, at the top is called Island Gal. So, ooh, this is what she looks like. I think I'm doing these, yeah. So this is Island Gal. And she, is a beautiful wine shade, y'all. Hold on. Y'all ready? What? What are you talking about? Do y'all see that? Do you see that? Beautiful. And now the last shade is so beautiful. It's called Ultraviolet. Let me clean my hand. Now this is the color, y'all. Y'all, I cannot wait to play in her. Oh, she's so pretty. Look at that. Y'all see? Okay. Oh, I gotta find a spot. Oh, we'll go right here. Here we go. Y'all ready? Ooh. Y'all see how pretty she is? Oh, I'm loving this shade. Okay. This I'm loving. Okay. Y'all know I love purple, right? Y'all know I love purple, right? This is a beautiful, I don't know if it's picking up how beautiful this purple is. Let me see. Do y'all see that? Okay. She cute. She cute. So I picked that up. Oh, and wait a minute, y'all. Hold up. She on sale for $15. How about that? $15 on sale. Now, the last two things I picked up were lippies. Now, the first lippy I picked up is called, and the names, when I tell y'all, are so cute, Heartbreaker. And I did take a picture with her on so you can see her. But we're gonna swatch Heartbreaker. Yeah, we're just gonna keep on using this hand since we're supposed to be doing, huh? Y'all ready? A beautiful brown. Y'all see that? And one thing I will say about these, and this is a lip gloss. Do you see all of that color in that lip gloss? Y'all see it on my lips, right? Y'all see it, y'all see it, or right there. Y'all see, where is it at? Over here. Y'all see it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, y'all know I love me an orange, right? This color is called Control Freak. Yeah. And you'll see me putting it on. This, and I'll swatch it just because I want to play in it. When I say these lip glosses are pigmented, they don't be coming to play when it comes to these lip glosses. Yo. Look at that. Oh. Oh my gosh. Yo. This color. And you see in the video, I toned it down for a more everyday look, but you don't have to wear it toned down, honey. And I love me something that I don't have to wear a liner with. And you definitely don't have to wear a liner with. And guess what, y'all? Both of these are on sale for $8 each. That's all I'm saying. So when I went shopping, I was thinking about y'all. I was like, okay, let me find some stuff in case my girls have never tried out the Lipbar before and they wondering what's up with the Lipbar, that they can find them some stuff and get some stuff on sale. So I hooked y'all up. Now, y'all, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In the comment section, let me know, one, have you ever purchased from Lipbar? And if you have, what's your favorite product? And two, do you want to see an eye look with this palette? Let your girl know. And the links will be in the description bar. So I do have a affiliate link in the description bar. So if you decide to pick anything up, please, if you want to, you don't have to, use that link. And I do have a discount code that if you're, I think it's your first time, you get 10% off. So go ahead and put that in there as well. But y'all, your girl is excited about the great things that are happening on this channel. And guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, where you'll be able to see all the close-up looks or all the looks that I do, I need you to follow me at It's Lori's Life. And to all my new subscribers, I see you and I do appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life, yeah, this is Lori's Life. Check out Lori's Life, yeah, it's Lori's Life.